Hey, fourth graders, it's Mr. Cameron again. Good to see you. Hope you all had a great Easter holiday. It seemed really different without going to Mass this year, but I hope the Easter Bunny was really good to you. I'm here back in my closet. There is a funny story about how I ended up doing my work from here. If you don't know that, you might want to go back to the video from March 23rd. You might enjoy it. Anyway, we have a test coming up on Monday, and it's going to be on adding and subtracting fractions and mixed numbers with like denominators. Also changing mixed numbers to improper fractions and vice versa. Today's math is going to be easy, and I'm going to show you how to do it now. Okay, so here's how easy today's math is. It's still going to be adding and subtracting fractions and mixed numbers, but you're using recipes to figure those out. So here I have a recipe for ginger snaps. And the question I have for you is, if you combine the shortening and the molasses, how many cups of ingredients do you have? Well, I'll start with the shortening. With the shortening, I have 3/4 cups. And then if I add the molasses, which is 1/4 cup, I add the 3/4 plus 1/4. I add the numerators, 3 plus 1 is 4. Don't mess with the denominator. You'll have 4/4 cups. Now, of course, 4/4 cups means that you have 1, 2, 3, 4/4, which equals 1 cup. Might be easier to see it like this. If you have a cup and you cut it into fourths, and you had 3/4, 1, 2, 3, plus 1/4, that's 4/4, or again, 1 cup. All right, it's also possible you'll need to subtract for some of these problems. So over here, I have a recipe for molasses butterballs. All right, so in this question that I have about molasses butterballs is, how many more cups of flour is used than molasses? So we're going to have to find the flour and the molasses. If it says how many more, that's a subtraction problem. So flour I see here is 2 1/4 cups. The molasses I see here is 1/4 cup molasses. How many more means I subtract. So I do 2 1/4 minus 1/4. 1/4 minus 1/4 is 0/4, or nothing. Then 2 minus nothing is 2. So I have an answer of 2 cups. It's that simple today. You can get started.